Welcome back, my friends. June 24th, 2020, 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And about 20 minutes ago, we had a large, shallow 6.0 earthquake. This is being called 17 kilometers south-southeast of Lone Pine, California. This is in that dry lake bed, Owens Lake, it's called, right next to Highway 395. We could see the fault zones here. All right, let's check it out on Google Earth. We could zoom in a little more. A lot of people have reported already feeling this quake, guys. Very shallow. It does seem like it's out in the middle of nowhere, but with the area that this covered, we have many people having a report feeling this quake. We could see the aftershocks are coming pretty steadily as of right now. Again, this was about 25 minutes ago. Here is the report if you felt it webpage. If I hit refresh here, we'll see this number jump up pretty significantly. And we're close to 3,000 people already. We could see the shake map right here, the interactive map. That definitely covers almost 100 miles in diameter of the shake map, so we could see why a lot of people have felt this quake. There's no reports yet of damage or anything of people getting injured, which is a good thing. In fact, I'm going to type this in real quick and see if we could find anything. All right, we can actually see right here, 4 minutes ago, ABC News tweeted, Justin, a 6.1 magnitude earthquake shakes California. So that's the highest reading I've seen so far. As I said, the initial reading came in as a 6.0 on the app that I use, and my buddy Chris texted me, which he usually does when we have significant earthquakes. So we're just getting some verification from these different outlets. A 6.1 from ABC News. And we could see about 19 minutes ago, the USGS itself posted a 6.0 earthquake, Central California, June 24th. Also, something interesting about this quake, a year ago to the day almost, we had a quake a little bit to the southeast of this earthquake on 4th of July last year. And I can bring that up because I have it saved on Google Earth here. Here we go, 6.4 earthquake, 4th of July. So this was a year ago, just to the northeast of Ridgecrest, California. So fairly interesting to see these quakes taking place around the same time of the year in back-to-back years, this one being to the north. We'll see how far to the north it is actually. Not that it really matters, but it's just interesting to see exactly the connection with these quakes. 57 miles apart from each other, nearly a year to the day. We're looking at that 4th of July time, guys, for that planet alignment we have been talking about. Not that it's guaranteed to do anything, but it's just interesting to see these big earthquakes coming. The two 7.4s we had, technically in the Pacific, one in Mexico, one near New Zealand, and then the 4th of July planet alignment that we're waiting for. Just makes it all very interesting. Again, I'm not saying for sure that the planet alignments cause these earthquakes, but if we do get an uptick in the numbers in the higher range earthquakes, the 6s and 7s and possibly 8s, maybe we can have some information that correlates to the planet alignment. But here you have it, guys. Another large earthquake in California, keeping with our pattern lately of these large earthquakes. We've had almost one a day over the last 4 or 5 days, which is very interesting and scary at the same time. So I will keep an eye out for damage or anything like that in the immediate area of this earthquake. In fact, I'll take one more look online to see if there's anything going on. But as you can see here, it has been dropped down to a 5.8. We've had some aftershocks, 4.4 aftershock, a 3.6. So we could see that that shallow shake is causing some aftershocks. We're right here on a fault line too. I'm not exactly sure which fault line this is. Sometimes they highlight, sometimes they don't. But we will continue watching this area for sure. All right, and still no reports of damage or anything like that. I'm sure we can expect something in the next couple of minutes. Again, this was about 25, 30 minutes ago this took place. And thank you to my buddy Chris for being on top of it. We are also following these tornado warnings in Louisiana, Mississippi, and soon to be Alabama. I will be back with an update on those as well. But be safe, guys. If you're in California or in the southern area of the Sierra Nevada mountains, please keep an eye out, as aftershocks will certainly follow this quake, as it was very shallow in that dry lake bed of Owen Lake in California. Thank you guys for still being here. I really appreciate it, and I'll be back with an update. Be safe. Bye-bye.